Good drumming skills. Go, go, go. Da, da, da. That's right, do. Which band are we going to join when we're older? Gonna start our own band? As long as Mommy doesn't sing, we should be good to go. That make a different sound? Thank you, Griffin. Thank you very much for the encore.